By the way, in YouTube, especially in YouTube monetization process, the second step error is the very common error. So today in this particular video, I'm gonna guide you step by step. So how we can solve, come here and click in Pix AdSense account. So click on Pix AdSense account. And once you come here and you see this is the Google AdSense official website, then you have to click here and sign in. Okay, click and sign here. And the current account is not associated with AdSense account. What you have to do is come here and select the exact YouTube account. Okay, the exact Gmail which is associated with your AdSense as well as for your YouTube account. So this is my Gmail account, so click on that. So again, it directly takes to AdSense website official page. You see, when you see such kind of error, to start earning from AdSense account, look at, you need to add a payment info or connect your site. If you see such kind of error, and again connect your site with AdSense, which is totally created for website monetization and blog monetization, which is not for YouTube monetization. So this is the first difference. The AdSense account created for website and the AdSense account which is created for YouTube monetization. So if you see such kind of error at the very first step in your AdSense account, the AdSense is created not for YouTube channel, which is created for website as well as for blog. So that is the difference. So how we can solve now, come here and click on the 3 dashes on the top left corner. So click on that and click YouTube AdSense for YouTube. So click on AdSense for YouTube. Then you see getting your AdSense for YouTube account ready. So you see your account was not approved. So what you have to do is you need to fix some issues before you can use AdSense for YouTube. Look at here. So you can fix the issue. So what you have to do now is meet the policies. Okay, the program policies. Come here and click the checkbox, and then what you have to do is resubmit. Click in resubmit. Okay, so now we are reviewing your information, so which is already sent for the AdSense team, and they are going. So then back and again click in the 3 dashes on top left corner, and then come here and click in account. So under account you need setting. So under the setting you need account information. Okay, so once you click in the account information, you see here, so active product is AdSense for YouTube content, and the seller information visibility, it is confidential, transparent, and the account status is open. So what you have to do is come here and click in close account. So once you come here and you see closing your account, you need to say click the check boxes here again and come here again, this, then close my accounts. Okay, so we have again AdSense here as well as for YouTube also. So close my account is here, click, look at here. Thank you for using Google Publisher products. You have successfully closed your account. So there is it. Now your account is totally closed. So after all, you receive an email, and the email said you are blocked or you are closed your Gmail, your AdSense account. So after 24 hours or 48 hours, you come back and you will again resend here change association. So click on it, and it asks you to continue. You need to confirm this is really you. Create next here. So once you click on that, and it asks you your password confirmation, so you can insert your password, your YouTube password or your Gmail account password. next, and then it asks you, do you have existing AdSense account? One is you have previously, but you have already cancelled that, and then you have to say click here. No, I don't have existing AdSense account. And one is you see this message in here. Next step, what you have to do is continue. So now you need to choose the account which is which you're gonna associate with your AdSense account. So this is my AdSense for YouTube. And then it asks you already the YouTube channel is linked, but it asks you for your country. So the country is Ethiopia. Maybe my country is in Ethiopia, but you can insert your territory. Alright, so it's directly entered, and it asks you for AdSense. Okay, AdSense online terms and conditions here. So what you have to do is you have to accept all the terms and conditions. Okay, this is mandatory. You have to accept the Euro terms and conditions. Okay, so see all of them. This is AdSense for YouTube terms and conditions. Then scroll down and you have to accept. Okay, I have accepted. Then the next step is continue set up the account. So click in set up account. Right, so now it directly takes you to AdSense for YouTube. Look at here, so which asks you AdSense for YouTube. Right here, previously you have it. Check your payment profile in detail here. So this is an individual for YouTube partner program. AdSense payment ID is this one. And then the next step is account type. You can set it for individual, and here you see the name and address here. Name and address you can check here. Address to is PO box, so in between PO dot and V there is a space here, so don't forget that. And again we have the postal code. Postal code is 100, and the city is Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. So this is the customer information. So this is the customer information which is already available in payment profile. So you can check the payment profile here, create payment profile or individual profile for YouTube partner AdSense. So what you have to do is again submit. Look at, so now the step is in progress. So maybe within 2 up to 3 weeks, or maybe in days, you will see the second step problem gonna fix in such a way. So that is all about what I have. If you are new for my channel, don't forget to subscribe and be a family. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.